Welcome to the channel. If you're a Christian single, I want to encourage you today. This season of your life isn't just about waiting around for the next chapter. God has a purpose for you right now, and there are things you can start doing today to grow, thrive, and set yourself up for success, both spiritually and personally. Let's talk about 5 things every Christian single should start doing to make the most of this season and walk in God's plan for their life. 1. Deepen your relationship with God. This is the most important thing. Use this time to grow closer to God without distractions. Matthew 6 verse 33 says, "But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well." When you prioritize your relationship with God, everything else falls into place. Make time for daily prayer, Bible study, and worship. The stronger your connection with God, the more prepared you'll be for the challenges and blessings that come your way, whether you're single, dating, or married. 2. Build healthy habits and self-discipline. This is the perfect time to develop habits that will shape your future. Whether it's taking care of your health, managing your finances, or learning new skills, the habits you build now will set you up for long-term success. Proverbs 21 verse 5 says, "The plans of the diligent lead to profit as surely as haste leads to poverty." Maybe it's time to start budgeting, build a workout routine, or practice time management. Whatever it is, ask yourself, how can I use this season to become the best version of myself? 3. Develop godly friendships and community. You don't need to wait until marriage to experience meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with people who encourage your faith and hold you accountable. Proverbs 27 verse 17 says, "As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another." Invest in friendships with other believers. Get involved in your church and stay connected to a community that helps you grow. God often works through the people around us, and having the right people in your life will help you stay on track. 4. Discover and pursue your purpose. Singleness isn't just a waiting room. It's a season for purpose. Ask God to reveal the unique calling He has placed on your life and start walking in it now. Ephesians 2 verse 10 says, "For we are God's handiwork, created in Christ Jesus to do good works, which God prepared in advance for us to do." This could mean getting involved in ministry, pursuing a career you're passionate about, volunteering, or developing your gifts. When you focus on your purpose, you'll feel fulfilled, whether you're single or in a relationship. 5. Trust God's timing. It's easy to feel frustrated if things aren't moving as quickly as you'd like, especially when it seems like everyone else is settling down. But Philippians 4 verse 11 teaches us, "I have learned to be content whatever the circumstances." Contentment doesn't mean giving up on your dreams. It means trusting that God's timing is perfect. Use this season to focus on gratitude and trust that God is working behind the scenes, even when you don't see it yet. The right things will come at the right time. Until then, you can be joyful in the present. Closing thoughts. So, if you're a Christian single, start doing these 5 things today. 1. Deepen your relationship with God. 2. Build healthy habits and self-discipline. 3. Develop godly friendships and community. 4. Pursue your purpose with passion. 5. Learn to be content and trust God's timing. Singleness isn't a season to be wasted. It's a time to grow, thrive, and become the person God is shaping you to be. When you focus on what God is doing now, you'll be ready for whatever He has for you next. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If this encouraged you, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more faith-based content. And remember, God has a plan for you in this season, and it's a good one. Stay blessed.